Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my stickers. This is probably my most asked question, where a lot of you guys wonder how I get my stickers made, how I prep the files, and how the whole process works. So that's what I'm going to show you today. First, I'm going to show you some of my favorite stickers, so you have an idea of what type of art and stickers you'll learn to make in this video. So my first favorite type is the holographic, and it's basically this rainbow type of sticker material. The next one is this mirror material, which is quite cool because it's kind of reflective and steel-like, almost metallic. And the last one is glittery. I've also made some sticker sheets in the past, but I won't be focusing on teaching you guys that today, but I might in the future. Now, before I jump into the tutorial, I do have a very special and exciting announcement. I will be giving away 3 sets of these stickers, so each set will have 1 sticker sheet, 1 holographic, 1 metallic, and 1 glittery. All the information on how to enter is on my Instagram, so make sure to check that out. Now let's jump onto the tutorial. For this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I make my holographic stickers from my traditional art. I know that a lot of you guys really like doing traditional art, but you don't know how to actually make it into a sticker because digital art is a lot easier, so I'm going to show you that today. So the first thing you need to do is take a clear and clean picture of your traditional artwork and transfer it to your device of choice. Here I airdropped it to my iPad, and then I opened Procreate. In Procreate, I inserted the photo. You can access this through the settings tool. This brings us to the next step, which is to clean things up and prepare our file. During this step, you can erase things, sharpen the image, color correct, and stuff like that. Now, once you're happy with the artwork, you should go to your lasso tool or selection tool and trace around the image. During this step, you don't have to be too neat and stable because it's just a general cutout. We can fix everything later on. After you've made your selection, make sure to cut and paste it on a new layer and remove the unwanted layer. During this step, I also like to make the background invisible so that I can see my sticker clearly. Oh yes, so I've got a cool trick. So if you want to move some of the elements around, you can use the lasso or selection tool. And to cover things up, you can just go in with a white pen just to color things in. Now, after you're happy with the placement of things, let's move on to the border. So the first thing I like to do is use my pen tool and color in around the border areas. As you can see very closely, the lasso tool doesn't really create really smooth lines, so going in with a pen smooths things out really well. During this step, you can also use the eraser to erase areas which you don't like, or if you made too much white space, you can also erase that as well. Essentially, during this step, you can go back and forth however many times you want to until you are happy with your design. Now, after you're happy with the overall shape and border, you can do your final checks and finishes, and then export your image as a PNG file. Now for the next step is to go into StickerApp. I really like using StickerApp because they have a variety of different sizes, styles, and materials. For my one, I like using the die cut. It's basically cutting around the silhouette of your sticker. And I also like to go with a 3-inch sticker with around 100 pieces, and then I'll choose a holographic sticker material. The pricing of your stickers will depend on your material, so make sure to watch out for that. And after that, I just upload my artwork. Remember when I told you to save your file as a PNG file? So as you can see right now, the background is actually cut out. That's what a PNG file does, so remember that. Now after uploading your artwork, it might come out a little weird in the preview. Do not worry too much. All you have to do, which is a really cool thing about StickerApp, is you can leave a comment. So for me, I just want the hair to be holographic and nothing else. So all I have to tell them is make the holographic and the hair only, and also remember to say thank you. After that, you just confirm it, and then you make sure that everything's correct, like the artwork, the size, the quantity, and the material. And once you're happy, make sure to add it to your cart and make your purchase. Afterwards, they will send you a message asking you to proof the artwork, and that's all. Okay, so that's pretty much how I make my stickers. I hope you did enjoy this video and found it helpful. If you want to see more videos like these, do remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can check out my new videos. Okay, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!